Hello guys, welcome to the Addis. In this video, I will give you a walkthrough of various components of the app. There are mainly two components, the campaign part and the audience part. But before you could use the Addis app, you have to first set up the app. To set up the app, just go to the settings. And here you will be asked to connect your Facebook account. We need your Facebook account so that we could run the Facebook ad campaigns on your account. To link your Facebook account, just click on connect button. Okay, once you connected your Facebook account, you will be asked to enter your business manager, ad manager, pixel and page. You could select all these values just from the drop down menu. Select all these values, select pixel, and then select on the what page you want to show the Facebook ads. We will install this pixel on your website, and this pixel will start collecting your audience data. Okay, once you set up this settings, you could start using the app. Now you could create campaigns. There are mainly three campaigns which we are offering in the app: the cart abandoned campaign, the past purchaser campaign, and then the product viewed campaign. Cart abandoned campaign are for the audiences who added some items to their cart but haven't purchased it. Past purchaser campaign is for the audience which have purchased some item in the past but haven't purchased any item recently. And similarly, the product view campaign, it is for the audiences who have viewed some content but haven't purchased it. Similarly, for the let's get started with the cart abandoned campaign. To create a cart abandoned campaign, just click on the create button. Okay, as you create your ad, you could check the preview in this side menu. You could just update it and the preview will be updated. Click on next. If you want to target specific countries, you could enter that countries in here. And the event time is basically the retention time, like how much time will be passed when the event happened. In this case, we will target those audience which have abandoned the cart in previous 7 days. Just click on next here and then select daily budget. How much you want to spend daily on this campaign? I'm selecting $10. Yeah, click on save button. Okay, the campaign is initially paused. You could activate the campaign by clicking activate campaign. Okay, now the campaign is live on Facebook. Your ads will start delivering on the Facebook. And then click on edit campaign. If you want to edit the budget, you could edit a campaign. Similarly, you could create past purchaser campaign and product view campaign. Let's come to the second component of the app, which is audiences. You could create various audiences in the app. Add to cart audiences are like the audience which have added some items in their cart. Similarly, the past purchasers and the viewed content audience. You could create an audience in Facebook by just clicking on create button. As you click on create button, the audience will be created. As you can see, this 87 audience is created. Okay, the billing part. Currently we are offering a free plan with 1 pixel count and unlimited campaigns. The settings, here you could see the various business manager, ad manager, pixel and page which we are using. And then there's FAQ section. In case you have some doubts or some queries, you could come in here and there are chances that you will get what you are looking for.